There is a strange comfort in holding on to the very things that quietly destroy us. We hold on to people who steal our peace, to habits that leave the soul emptier than before, to sins we keep promising ourselves we'll leave tomorrow. Sometimes the hardest thing to release isn't what hurts us. It's what has become familiar. Love always asks you to choose what deserves the deepest place inside your heart. And no heart can truly hold on to Allah while refusing to let go of what keeps pulling it away from Him. Some doors are difficult to close, not because they're beautiful, but because you've stood inside them for far too long. A relationship that weakened your faith, a habit that comforted your desires while exhausting your soul, a dream that slowly became more important than the one who placed that dream inside you. Then one day, a quiet question settles into your heart. What if the thing you're afraid to lose is the very thing keeping you distant from Allah? Before your lips ever formed that silent dua, Allah already knew what your heart could never explain. Every temptation you resisted in silence. Every moment you chose obedience when no one else was watching. Every sacrifice made only for His sake. Not one of them was ever forgotten. The world notices what happens in public. Allah rewards what is done when no one is looking. If you love Allah, leave the approval of people whose opinions change overnight. Leave the habit that steals the sweetness of your salah. Leave the sin you keep postponing until tomorrow, because tomorrow has never been promised. And don't fear that obedience will leave you with less. Sometimes Allah's greatest mercy is removing what your heart was never meant to carry. Walking away isn't always easy. Your heart may still look back. Your nafs may whisper, just one more time. But every step away from what displeases Allah is a step toward the peace you've been searching for all along. One day, you'll look back and realize Allah wasn't taking something away from you. He was saving you from something you couldn't yet see. So, if you love Allah, leave what weakens your connection with Him. Trust the one whose wisdom reaches beyond your understanding, whose mercy finds you even when you've lost your way. Leave what fades and hold tightly to the one who never leaves. Whoever leaves something for the sake of Allah, Allah will replace it with something better. Before you leave, take one sincere moment and whisper, Ya Allah, help me leave what takes me away from you. If that's your dua, write Ameen in the comments and share this reminder with someone you love for the sake of Allah.